Today, we're going to install these LED daytime running lights. Here is the list of products. Removing the factory headlights. First, turn off the power. Remove the air intake damper. Remove the 4 mounting screws from the front trunk. Remove the light panel and unplug it. Remove the front trunk. Remove the air conditioner's air intake grill. Remove the 4 mounting screws from the original headlights. Lift the latch on the headlight upward. Unplug the factory connector. Install the LED daytime running lights. Aim the colored lights at the latch and snap it into place. Tighten the 4 screws to secure the assembly. Connect and secure the positive terminal. Run the positive wire along the vehicle's wiring harness toward the front of the car. Connect the color changing control module. Next, connect the original vehicle connector to the plug on the LED lights. Test the performance of the vehicle after it starts. These LED car lights can also be controlled via a mobile app. Trunk before restoration. Install the air intake filter. Place in the front trunk. Plug it in. Snap it into the latch and press firmly. Tighten all the screws. Install the intake damper. Installation complete.